another video with Learn French with Queen. So today we'll be looking at some basic rules in French language, which are going to help us navigate through learning this language, and it's going to be useful as well in our pronunciation. So if this is the first time you're tuning in on this platform, we learn French together, and if that is what you're looking for, a platform where we can learn French together, you're welcome to Learn French with Queen. So let's get started. So today we'll be looking at some basic rules which are going to help us through in our French learning. So we say S in between two vowels give the sound Z, Z, Z. So when we are pronouncing, we'll be able to understand why are these words pronounced this way. So let's look at examples. We have it in words like oiseau, oiseau. Can we see that in our written form we have oiseau, but in our pronunciation we have oiseau? Why is it oiseau? Why not oiseau? The C and the S sound. Why is it oiseau? It is because S is in between two vowels. E is a vowel, E is a vowel. So whenever we see S in between two vowels, it gives the sound Z. So we now have oiseau. So let's continue. We have it in words like pose. Why is it pose? Why not pose? It is because S is in between two vowels. U is a vowel, E is a vowel. So we have it this way, pose. Okay? So we have it in another word like cause. Why is it cause? Why not cause? It is because S is in between two vowels. We have U is a vowel, E is a vowel, and so it automatically gives us the sound. That is why we have cause. We have it in even words like maison. This way, maison, which means house. Why is it maison? Why not maison? It is because S is in between two vowels. E is a vowel, O is a vowel, so we have maison. So it is important for us to note these rules and regulations so that it will help guide us while in our learning. So let's continue. We have QU, gives us the sound K. In words like quatre, quatre. Can we see? We are having QU. QU is starting the word, but it gives the sound quatre. Why is it giving the sound K? This is it. Because any words that have Q and U give the sound K in French. So it's just normal. Just note it. It is a rule. So we have it in words like quelque, quelque. Why do we have it quelque? Can we see the KU? KU. That's why we have kel and ke. Can we see the K sound is sounding at both sides? So we have it that way. And we have it in words like kestion. Can we see? Kestion. Why not question? It is kestion because of this rule. QU gives the sound K in French language. So let's continue. So we have sion as well, which gives us the sound sion in French language. In words like communication, can we see the sion, the T-I-O-N? It gives us the sound sion. This. So it is a rule in French language. When we have sion, it gives us the sound S. We have the communication. Can we see it? We have information. Information, not information or communication. It is information, communication. So we have television. Now we can see that this is not binding to the rules. Why? Because we said S in between two vowels give us the sound Z. Can we see? This is E, this is E. There are two vowels here. So we have S automatically turned to Z. And so can we see our accent aigu? Television. télévision. Come see, it's not difficult. It's just so simple. If we can keep to those sounds, we will be good with our pronunciation, whether reading or talking to somebody. So when we follow those rules and regulations, they are very important. They guide us through learning our French language. So we have l'accent aigu, our rules, and we know that tion gives sion. So in words like television, so easy. Television, very easy. I hope you find these basic rules useful while learning this language. So let me know at the comment section if you have anything contrary as regarding these rules. If you think there's anything contradicting or an idea you would love to know about concerning these rules, let me meet with you at the comment section. I'll be glad to have you. So if you found my video useful, give it a thumbs up, do like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. So do take care of yourself. Till my next video, bye.